Here's what happens when you join a cult. They're gonna use and abuse you, child or adult. Scientology or Aum Shinrikyo, Branch Davidians are the followers of Jim Jones. I hate to state generalities, but there's similarities. Split personalities, they show the world one face, the followers get another, disguised as religion, stealing mind and money undercover. Scientology specifically gives followers the goals of becoming OT. OT stands for Operating Titan, a being in control of the creation of matter, energy, space, and time by using the technology that Hubbard left behind to destroy the conscious or reactive mind and attain godhood in your own lifetime. But there's no OTs, not anywhere, no OTs, not one, no OTs, not anywhere, no OTs, not one. Since there's no OTs, not one, we can learn important lessons from those who entered the trap and came limping back to tell us it's whack. First lesson, us and them. Everything good is us, everything bad is them. And them is defined as those who are behind the conspiracy against us in the battle for the mind. It's a really big plot, and everyone who is against us is a part. That's what Scientologists get taught. It's the excuse for when the crooks get caught. Lesson number 2 is separation, moving us apart from them, creating segregation. No worldview but one in your ear, no plan but the cults for you to hear. As the weeks go by, there's a look in your eye, a fanatic in development, a zealot on the rise, deaf to the cries of your family. You say, not when I've got this prize in front of me. Lesson number 3 is full indoctrination, the washing of the brain, total subjugation. Control is reinforced on your mind as your words are ready to find friends are left behind. You study strange crap for hundreds of hours, lying to yourself that you're developing powers, but you're not.
And you know why?
Cause there's no OTs, not anywhere, no OTs, not one, no OTs, not anywhere, no OTs, not one. Lesson number 4 is disillusion. Walk away dizzy with emotional contusions, escape the confusion, destroy the illusion, return to the real world fusion. Lesson number 5 is when you make it out alive and grow and thrive despite the way they tried to make you take a dive. You show them you'll survive no matter how they connive or what jive they contrive. So learn these 5 lessons well, because they can save you from a guided tour of hell. A trip where you lose your money and your family, a journey that robs you of your dignity and sanity. There's no OTs, not anywhere, no OTs, not one, no OTs, not anywhere, no